All right, new lesson for you. This one is one of my pet peeves. This one I have been known to throw erasers at people about if they start doing it wrong. I'm talking about EA. Now don't confuse EA with AE. AE is pronounced A, like in Lehente. Lehente Sierra. Vacation days. Lehente. AE. AE is not usually a problem. It's the EA that drives me crazy because people don't realize that it's ah. Okay? And I'm going to show you a bunch of examples. First of all, sha is sha or sha. Just means it is or it's true. It's kind of yes. There's not really a yes in Irish. Ah. Okay? So there it is. And it's always that. Schacht, the number 7. Schacht, which is also in schachten, which is a week. Unschachten, because it's feminine. Unschachten. Jera. Schachtene. Aflac. Schachtene. If you know the American commercial. Now, you may say to me, if you're very clever, what about this EA in Jeddah? That's not Jeddah, it's Jeddah. Well, when it's on the weak syllable and it's part of an ending, you don't hear it the same way. It's not really the EA that's so important, it's the ADH. The E's sort of there because it's slender, the slender rule. So the ending takes precedence here. It's not really the combination, the diphthong EA, which is ah. So Jeddah, but Schachtene. Okay? So Clachta, clachta, clachta. Practice, practice, practice. Clachta. Now, some dialects, of course, will pronounce things a little differently, but in general, the part I'm emphasizing is always the same. The endings might be a little different sounding. Clachtu, if you like, in Ulster. Right? Let's not worry about that. Let's worry about again, I said not if it's the ending or the off syllable, the weak syllable. So brisha is another example. Breaking or change. Brisha. Sha. You hear the ADH ending more than the EA combination there. It takes precedence. You'll get used to that. There's also other combinations. CEANN, the double N does its magic and makes this kyan, at least the way I speak, kyan rather than can. You can say that, depends on your dialect, but at least what I speak, the double N and also the double L, fjal. They make it as if this A is a long A with a fada on it. There's no fada anymore, but it's pronounced that way. So fillin, here's that ending. You don't hear the EA because it's really the ending. Fillin, unfjal, now it's a long A because of the double L. An vjalere. Treachery returns back onto the treacherous person. Right? In other words, karma's a bitch. Fillin on fjallere and fjallere. Sha. Please. Schacht. Schachtene. Clachta. 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 Please. EA is